Cat hook. Cat hook. This is a compact titanium cat hook in the shape of a waterproof capsule with 3 titanium arms inside, which can be twisted in the capsule. As a result, you have a solid titanium hook with 3 arms of only 45 grams or 1.58 ounces in weight and 2.5 inches in height when stored. It's basically a light and compact metal capsule, easy to carry. Despite its small size, this hook can support a weight of 770 pounds. If used with a paracord rope, you'll have an easy-to-carry tackle, useful in all kinds of situations. You can purchase this device for a price of $60. Auto Escape. Auto Escape. This multifunctional instrument should be in any motorist's arsenal, as it can save your life in an emergency situation. First of all, Auto Escape has a safety knife capable of cutting the seatbelt, as well as all kinds of straps and cables. The second feature of this device is a hammer with a tungsten tip to break the glass of your vehicle in case of an accident. In addition, the instrument has a built-in lamp with 3 different modes, an intermittent SOS emergency signal, and 2 stable modes with a brightness of 135 and 50 lumens. The price of this device is $60. Trade skates. Trade skates. For the tip of this device is made of stainless steel and the handle is made of nylon fiber with a parabolic wrap, making it very easy to grip the tool. Nevertheless, the gadget weighs only 900 grams or 31 ounces. The invention is perfect for cutting wood or sharpening a wooden lance. It's possible to separate the wrap from the handle to create a shelter, a trap, or to use it as a very strong rope. The price of the device is $35. Tinderbox. Tinderbox. This is an original invention to make fire under any weather conditions. It's basically a compact box with a grater on the top and a small cavity on the bottom. The grater allows turning branches into small pieces of wood to light a fire, and in addition, in the back of the box, there's a magnifying glass to make fire. On a sunny day, you only have to use the sun's rays to light the sawdust, and that's it. The device also has a lid to close the grater while it's being transported to protect the blade in your garments. The price of the gadget is $23. Spa tool. Spa tool. This universal and multifunctional instrument was created to perform all kinds of tasks in the open. The main element of the spa tool is a shovel head, so its primary task is to dig, but it is not its only function. Spa tool also has instruments that work like an axe, a machete, a saw, and a hammer. This multifunctional tool also has an indispensable accessory today, a bottle opener. This gadget's made of tempered carbon steel and unbreakable polymer, and its price is $150. E-Tech City. E-Tech City. Like all portable water filters, E-Tech City filters 99.99% of the pathogenic microorganisms, mold, and bacteria in the water. Thanks to a smart filter, the device is very simple to use. You can drink directly from a bottle. As the water passes through the device, it's filtered immediately. The case that comes with the filter serves to carry water everywhere. To clean the filter, you just have to wash it with clean water using a syringe included with the filter. The price of this gadget is $19. M48 Tactical Shovel. M48 Tactical Shovel. This shovel is great for those who travel constantly, especially in extreme conditions. The handle of the blade is made of solid plastic and painted with military black paint, and the blade is made of stainless steel. It can be used on the ground or against a tree and for a long trip. This shovel is just perfect. It's quite light and doesn't take up too much space in your backpack. This device has an elastic nylon cover that protects the sharp blade from damaging your things, and the price of the invention is $50. MS5EDC. MS5EDC. No matter where you go, this small set of instruments is ideal to take anywhere. The kit has a lot of indispensable tools, such as a USB charging device, a GPS tracker, a water filter, a knife, a gas burner, and many others. Thanks to these irreplaceable instruments, you can survive even in the most extreme conditions. MSK1. The price of this compact multi-tool is $45. MSK1. This is a knife that has several functional possibilities. The blade is made of industrial steel, while the handle is made of textured metal plates. The MSK1 knife design uses a wide clip point blade with a variable center of gravity. The knife also has a waist opening and a special cut for working with a flint. The plates of the handle are completely interchangeable and are fixed with the aid of a pair of bolts. The price of this weapon currently is $280 and increases depending on the accessories. Muncher. Muncher. This small device has a spoon, a fork, a table knife, a knife to clean potatoes, a canning knife, a bottle opener, a safety knife, a package opener, and a screwdriver. The set comes with a rope to hang it from a backpack as well. The total weight of this gadget is only 20 grams, and the Munchie set price is $45. Baby.